Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to insert an Excel sheet in Word. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, open up Word and place your cursor where you want to insert the Excel sheet. Go to the top of Word and click on Insert, and go over to the right and go and click on Object like so. Then all you want to do is click on Create and File, and you want to select the link to file just below the Browse button. Then click on Browse, and you need to go and find your Excel document. For me, it's on my desktop just here, called Marks. Then go and click on Insert and go and click OK. It will go and take a moment, and there it is. What you can do is go and click on it, and you can go and resize it if you want to. If you found this useful, then leave a like. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.